Torrance residents were invited to check out the resources that make Torrance the well-rounded city that it is. Crystal Garcia tells us more.
Torrance's City Yard Open House was 3 events wrapped into one day full of sights and activities. In a rare opportunity, guests got a taste of Torrance past and present and were able to check out both classic city vehicles along with the city vehicles used today.
The animals want the people to do these clean practices to help the bay stay clean.
The city's Public Works Department weren't the only ones with activities and displays. Local vendors joined in on the fun and allowed guests of all ages to learn about the city's resources and how to be more eco-friendly.
Can this be recycled?
The South Bay Bird Society, CERT, and Trash for Teaching were just some of the organizations who made learning about the environment, disaster preparation, and recycling fun.
That's pretty cool.
And when guests wanted to take a break from all the hands-on learning, they were able to check out the array of cars and motorcycles on display at the car show. For Torrance City Cable, I'm Crystal Garcia.
Thanks, Crystal. This year's event brought out a record number of people. Not only were there free giveaways, but games and information booths. If you missed this event but would like to learn more, go to torranceca.gov.